Hello guys, welcome to my space. So now so I shey na dey see this fish, so now so I sit down this better barbecue fish con dey hungry me. I say what to do. That's why I just carry myself enter inside market, come go buy two ogbonge catfish come house. As I carry am come house, as I come wash am with salt and warm water, just so that all the sliminess go comot well, so that I go fit enjoy the fish. Na the fish be this now. I don wash am well, so I come blend pepper. I blend am coarsely. I come put better ginger. I come blend the pepper with some onions. Now na maybe this way I dey pour all the seasoning. I put maggi, I put seasoning cube. I come put the ginger and the garlic paste. I come put some salt, put curry and thyme. Now curry myself, I put oil. Now so I just carry small groundnut oil. I come put am. I come mix am together. Now so I come begin scoop am for the fish, so that I go use am marinate am. So although the camera no capture me, but I come use my hand massage this better pepper, this seasoned pepper. Come use my hand marinate the fish well. I come rub am well, so I think go reach inside. Cause guys, the way the thing hungry me, I want make it sweet. Now so as I finish, I just carry my cling film, take cling film am for the bake way. Now maybe this way I dey cling film am so like this. Now I wan carry am go fridge, make thing go sit for like 4 hours, so that the condiment go touch am well inside, because I want, like I said, make it delicious well. Now be this way I dey carry go fridge. I don leave am for 4 hours. See am, I don bring am come outside for fridge. See as e dey make sense, guys. Even at this point, I think dey taste so dey scent well. That's why I carry my air fryer wey I wan take fry am. I come carry my baking sheet, take lay and put for the air fryer pan, so that any juice wey wan come out go dey pour for the paper, then no go spoil my air fryer pan. So that's why I carry one of the fish, because the two no go enter. That's why I carry one of the fish, put am. I come still scoop some more seasoned pepper, put inside. I want make the thing touch am well. Now I come put am. I come on my air fryer, come leave am for like 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, now maybe this one I wan go check am how the thing don come out. Oh boy, see this fish, guys. See how the thing fine. That's why I just come flip am over, so that the other side will also cook very well. Now I come put am back to the air fryer. I come leave am there for another like 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, now I go check am, guys. If you see this fish, boy, see as this fish fine. See as it dry, come make sense well. Now me and this fish today. So the next thing, I come prepare my pepper sauce. This pepper wey dey see so na only pepper, ginger and onions. Now I blend. Come put my small onions for oil. Come put the pepper. Come add seasonings. This na enoki wey I dey put. I come put small salt. Come turn am. Come take here. So now I wan come prepare my chips wey I go take chop am. Come prepare the chips. Come slice my cucumber, my tomatoes. Guys, see the end product of my work. Guys, if to say you dey when I dey chop this fish, you go beg. I come cool am now with chill bottle of coke. Thank you.